this is Owen. Good day, guys.
Yeah, good day. Welcome to our live broadcast room again.
Yes, it's the second time.
Yes.
Because days ago, we have our first video call.
Yeah, and in that video, we mainly introduced our product, fiberglass backing plate, flap disc, sanding belt, and also flat wheel.
Yeah.
So today, what we are going to do, Owen?
We will test our products, including finished products like flap disc as well our backing plate to know our quality better and you will know our factory and laboratory better.
Okay, so what we are waiting for now?
Yeah, we won't wait longer.
Okay, so let's go.
Okay.
Please follow us.
Okay. So as you guys know that the flap disc is one of our very important products from our factory. So firstly, I will introduce you guys our flap disc.
Oh, please come to this.
Yeah. As you know, the flap disc, there are several parts like backing, glue, and some clothes to make this finished flap disc. So today we're going to introduce you guys about this backing as one of the very important base of the flap disc. So let's go to see our some specification
for this backing pad.
Yes. So this is our table for show our products, backing plate. And this product, we normally call it fiberglass backing, but we do have different names, you know.
Yeah, yes.
Because
for
some
different countries,
different markets, maybe they have different names.
Names.
So we call it fiberglass backing, also fiberglass backing plate, also some flap disc back and flap disc backing.
Yeah, some clients even call it backup pad.
Yes,
yeah.
GFD and backup pad.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe you guys know that is special for Indian market.
Yeah.
So today you can see the products. We have some examples already on this table. So firstly, you can see the backing surface. Yeah, this one is the very normal black paper. So from our company to make these products, this backing, this plastic this is a black paper is the most popular and maybe the most
common used.
Yeah, common used. So maybe I think it's around 70 or 80% of this market. Yes, this is black paper. Another one is we call it new black paper because the different customer needs maybe the different requirement.
Yeah.
So we have this second new black paper.
This one we also call is crepe paper.
Yes, crepe paper.
Yeah. This one is flat paper.
Yeah.
So you can see some wrinkles on the surface.
Yeah, sure. But the material is same. Maybe just the surface is not different.
Yeah.
It's not same. And this one we call it woven. It's seldom customer need this kind of backing because from my experience, like
Japan kind.
Yeah,
Japanese
one of Thailand maybe they need this kind of
non-woven.
Yeah, not very much.
Mm-hmm.
And this one also. This one is quite popular in Korea, Korea and Thailand.
It's golden cloth.
Can be so shiny.
Yeah, it's very flat, and so the label can stick on the surface very easily and tightly.
That is only customers determine what we produce and what we make.
Mm-hmm.
So it depends on customers. Yes, and another one is our star products, I think. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
This is the labeled backing pad because this is heated. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
Like a pre-printing.
Yes, pre-printing is different from the normal sticker. You can see this flat disc. Yeah. And this one we call it the sticker, but this one is no. This one is labeled before the printing.
Yes.
So it is different.
Mm-hmm.
And this kind of backing is now I think we have around 10 customers order this kind of backing.
Mm-hmm.
Because and this is made for Europe is this. Yeah, I also remember one of our biggest customers from
Yes.
Middle East. They ordered this kind of vacuum frequently. Yes.
And also some Germany clients, and also South Africa and Middle East countries.
Yes. Yeah, some of them maybe one or two container one month.
Yeah.
Yeah, in this kind of vacuum.
Yeah, very large quantity. So it shows the market trend for this industry.
Yeah, we do love it because this surface is beautiful.
Yeah,
it's not easy to copy, you know.
Yeah.
So not like this kind of plant. You can stick maybe you just
remove it.
Yeah, remove it and make another one.
Yeah.
So that is easy to copy, but this one no.
Okay.
Yeah, all in all, customers depend on customers' requirements. So all of them are available from our factory.
Yeah. And this label one, also we have feedback from our customers. This one is more professional.
Yes.
Yeah, it's more professional. Yeah.
So next, from the surface, you can see the backing, the paper, and another one you can see the metal ring. There's many kinds of metal rings. So anytime we'll tell you tell you guys to know the difference and the market maybe. Let's show it. Okay.
So it's my turn now, right?
Yes.
So let's see this one. This is a higher metal ring, and we also call it is Korean type metal ring because this one is specially for the Korean market. Yeah, we have clients for this. Also, they are like a special requirement. Yeah. And also we have this one. It is two metal rings. Also, we call it double metal rings. This product is very common used, and about 90% to 80% customers require this one. So it's the most popular star for this backing two metal rings.
Yes.
And we have also a single metal ring. So look at this from back side. Okay, so just the back side has a metal ring, and then here no metal ring. Okay, and this part is in vertical position. One metal ring is vertical. Okay, so another one I will explain. This one is also one metal ring. Okay, you can see here. And the difference is this is vertical position, and this one you can see here, some metal ring bent on the edges. Okay, so it's different. So we have two different kinds for the one metal ring. Okay, so this depends on the customer's requirements and also the market situation.
Yes.
Yes, some European countries, right, they require this kind of metal ring.
Yes, but seldom we need not so much customers from Asia, Middle East who need kind of especially for the Europe market.
Yeah. And this one, okay, so you can see here, this one on the metal ring, we print some data or numbers on it. Sometimes it is like a client's logo, maybe the short name of the customer's name, company name, and maybe some batch number. We can print some information on the metal ring, but not so long, okay, because we do not have so much space on the metal ring. Okay, so this one also is kind of like can protect the client's confidentiality.
Yes, that is
no one can copy.
Yes.
Yeah. So this one also now more and more popular because more and more clients require this.
Yes.
Yeah, we can printing the data, the date, or some numbers, or the barcode. Barcode maybe not, right? Some batch code. Yeah, batch code. And the next one will be the most popular now. More and more popular because this is. So guess what's the shape?
I think it's not popular.
Yeah, it's a new one. Yeah,
so
becoming
we can see the tendency.
Yes.
Yeah, this will be popular.
Yeah, in the future.
Yeah, in
the future. Yeah.
And maybe 3 or 5 years later.
Not 3 years. I think maybe 1 or 2 years.
1 or 2 years. That's okay.
Yeah, we have very strong confidence for this project. Okay.
Let's look forward.
Yeah. So you can see this is like an X. Okay. X. Yeah, 3 years back, we cooperated with Bosch company. So they have a new project called X-Log project. Bosch developed a new undergrinder, X-Log undergrinder. So with that undergrinder, it is very easy to to remove the abrasive products like flat disc and also cutting disc or diamond disc.
Yeah.
So we developed this metal ring for the flat disc supplier. So now I'm very proud to see that E-Home company is the only one approved supplier
Yes.
by Bosch company.
Yes.
So if you have any requirements for this X-log fiberglass backing, just contact us. Okay.
I think we are the solo producer in China.
Yeah, it's only one. Not only in China, I mean all around the world.
Yeah. And I tell you what, luckily today we have the angle grinder from Bosch. Later I will show you the difference from the normal grinder with electrolux grinder.
Yes,
yeah, later I'll show you guys.
Mm-hmm.
Don't worry.
Okay. Yeah. And for the fiberglass backing plate, so besides this, we also want to show you how we measure the specification, the common specification.
Yeah, easily we from our vision we can see the diameter and the hole size. That is kind of normal testing for the maybe before the bench, and we make some data to have some storage in our lab. Some you can see.
So he's checking the diameter.
This diameter is 95 millimeter.
Yes.
And the hole size is 15.
15.
Yeah, 15 is abnormal. You know, it's not normal.
Special for
the
customers.
customer from Japan. And the whole
thickness.
You know, normally we need we measure the thickness. We need at least 3 points.
Yes, 3 points.
Yeah, this is the first one, 3, and also 3.2. It's 3.1.
Yeah.
So that is, we can see this sample is correct and fact, because if the thickness from different parts and different points, if the number is much different. Yeah. So the products will fail. We cannot send to customer because as you know, firstly I test the flat disc because this vacuum is very important to determine the quality of flat disc. If the thickness is not well, so when the balance, the balance will not good. So when the grinder, when the worker uses kind of flat disc to grinding something, the flat disc, the finished product could shake. And maybe there's some danger.
Yes.
You know, maybe the leaves, the tank close, will be come out. Maybe something like that. So before every batch of goods, we see before shipping, we need to test all the kind of data.
Specification.
Yeah. So make sure to guarantee that our piece of product is good.
It's within the tolerance.
Yeah, within the tolerance, cannot out of the tolerance, and to make sure that our product is good and safety.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so much for the size.
Yeah, this actually is from my eye, you can see.
Yeah, by the caliper, checking by the caliper or by vision.
Yes, but maybe some customers will hear some content in the
what's inside of the fiberglass backing pad.
And we do there's some technical data in it, but today we will show you guys some
more technical. Technical thing. So
we never did it before.
Okay, so let's move to another step. It's the resin content of our fiberglass backing pad. Okay, so these are all our R&D department equipment for the quality checking. This one is heating oven. Oven, not oven. It's oven. So this one usually will sometimes require flat disc samples. So because our big oven is occupied, so we have to use this one, especially for the sample. Yes, this is not a big oven. This is especially for sampling list. Yes. Making. Because maybe when we make some samples of fiberglass backing, we need to know the quality. So we make this small oven, we make pieces of flat disc,
finished.
Yes.
You know the quality is better. We can meet the demand of our customers. So it's special for assembly for the flat disc.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's why it's
it's a multiple furnace.
Yes, multiple furnace.
Okay. So just now we mentioned the content of the glue or the resin content for the fiberglass backing plate. So because this test will take about 4 to 6 hours. So before we came to our factory, before our live broadcast,
we already asked our colleagues
to do this test in advance. Okay, so now is the time to open it and
we already got some results, right?
To say what's inside, right?
Yeah.
So, okay, Mr. Zhu, can you open the door and show us? So before you open the door or take out the backing, so you shall wear the gloves, okay, for the safety consideration. Okay. So let's see inside. Yeah, wow, amazing. Before it was black color and now it's white color, right? Yeah. So it's like back to the original fiberglass cloth is white color.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. This is 107 mm backing. Okay. So let's see what's the inside thing. Okay. Inside content. So this is how many layers? I think it's 7 layers.
I guess it's 8 layers.
8 or 7.
Maybe.
So let's see how many layers the backing pad had. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I got the right answer, Owen. It's 7 layers.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So from all different layers, so you can find the weaving. I mean, the weaving of the fiberglass cloth is different.
Yes.
Okay. So we can find that this one is more tight, like this. Okay. And this two, a little bigger. The gap is a little bigger. Okay.
But it's steady, more steady.
Yeah, more like tighting.
Yes.
Right, tighting. Yes. And this one is a little mess, right? How to say that? Yeah, I mean a little mess.
Yeah, they are similar.
Yeah, they are similar. Okay. So we also test another size. I think it's 90 mm. Yeah. Mr. Zhu, can you get out? Can you take out the another vacuum? Okay, here we go. So this size is 90 mm. So let's see what's the layer and what's the weaving method for this backing pad. 1, 2,
I think it's 6.
3, 6.
Yes.
Okay, let's see if you got it right or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, you're right. You won the prize. Give you Oscar. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, also different. I think 1, 2, 3. So how many different configurations we here? I think it's at least 3 different fiberglass cloths, right? 3 different. Yeah. So you can say from here, I mean before heating and after heating, we can calculate the resin content of our fiberglass backing.
Yeah, according to the weight.
Yes, according to the weight.
So we can do the glue content.
Yeah, Mr. Zhu will calculate the resin content. And for each batch of goods, we need to make sure the resin content is similar.
Yes.
Yeah, we have a standard for that. Yeah. So, with different configuration fiberglass cloths, our fiberglass backing pad, the quality is different. Also, we call the strength is different, right?
Mm-hmm. So how to test the strength?
Okay.
Yeah. So that's coming.
Uh-huh.
How?
So let's move to next test.
Yes.
It's pressure test.
Yes.
Right. Okay, so this is our pressure test machine.
It's mainly for testing the backing strength.
Okay, so before using this machine, it's for like a trial. So first one, we will not put any backing on it, and after test for one time, and next one we will
Like a warming up.
yeah warming up.
Make sure that
Yes.
the machine is good enough for the testing.
How many minutes? 3 minutes. Okay. So what we are going to test today? Okay, so it's 107 mm with 7 layers, right? Yeah. Okay. So
Diameter is
107. It is for 4.5-inch flat disc. Okay, so you can see our machine is connected with this computer. Yeah, on this computer we will have the graph. Yeah, the graph. It's like a curve graph. Yeah. We have the high peak and the low peak. Peak.
Big and the bottom line.
Yeah. Yes.
It's okay now?
Okay, Mr. Ju, please show us. Okay, so this machine this punching head will go down
Slowly.
Yeah, slowly.
Cannot be quick. If it's too quick, the backing will broken.
We jump out. Jump.
Yeah.
See already some sound for the crack. Don't be afraid. This is safe.
Cannot be horrible. Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Right, okay.
So it go up. So this test is finished.
We have this kind of test especially for guarantee the backing is strong enough.
Yep.
Strong enough for support the different kind of material like grease.
Ceramic, zirconia.
So in our case, we can make sure that it can bear with some such very coarse, very
Heavy.
like 24, 36 from ceramic and maybe zirconia. No, definitely the grease is very heavy to make finish like this. It will be very heavy. So we have to guarantee the backing is strong enough.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so can we now let's see the
Not broken.
Mm-hmm. Wow. So only the metal ring was bent. Okay, deformed. So let's see
this is from the 500 kilogram. Yeah.
So we can check the data, exact data,
sure.
Pressure data on the screen. Yep. So we can check the. It's the strength is 1,873.92. This is the strength of this backing. Yeah, so normally it's around. It's also the different size.
Yes.
The pressure is different. So maybe for 90 mm backing, it is much lower, maybe less than 1,000.
Yes.
Yeah. But for bigger size, it may be around 1,500. Some backings even more than 2,000.
2,000.
Yes.
So why we focus on why we should focus on this backing quality? so much because as I mentioned before, Anita also told you guys that because this backing is totally, or we can see it is very important to determine the quality of flat disk. So we make this kind of several process for testing the backing is steady, it's stable, and good quality, and it's strong enough. So finally, we need to come to our flat disk testing. Yeah, if the flat disk is good, so everything is good. We have a good result.
Yes.
Yeah, that makes the backing testing meaningful. So next time we will show you guys about this flat disk
Rotation.
Yeah.
Burst speed test.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I will ask our colleague
Engineer.
to make this kind of testing.
Okay. Okay, so our engineer, Mr. Huang, is already. Okay, look at him. Very handsome guy.
This one is 100. Yeah, 1.5 inch.
Yep.
1.5 T20,
T21, T27, sorry.
Yeah,
T27.
Yeah, I think
This
it's
is zirconia.
yeah, the cornea.
120 grade.
Yeah, going down is 120.
Okay, so firstly, we will check the burst speed of this particular valve.
Yeah.
Okay. So first step is fix the flat disk in the machine.
刚才有人帮许涵在线。这是
That's your number.
Okay. So someone just now sent one inquiry to us on the live broadcast room, right? Yes. Wow, good. So check the speed.
Ready? Keep ready. Keep ready. Still keep ready.
So we'll hold on this speed for some time.
Yeah. Yeah, the testing is finished. Now we will take the samples out to see the distance.
Result.
Yeah, it's good
What
or
happened
what happened?
to the flat disk?
It's good or broken.
Yeah. So the speed is 25,027 RPM for this product.
Yeah, so according to the EN standard, I think it's quite enough. Yeah. So you can see the surface is perfect, not broken.
Yeah, the flaps didn't come out or fly out.
Yes.
Wow.
So you guys also can check the table on the wall. We have some standard to refer to.
EN standard.
Yeah,
right?
EN standards.
EN standard.
Yeah.
So you can see here and also here.
Like
So
this one is 115
Yep.
with different grain.
Yes.
So totally, this product is good enough. And seeing this kind of testing, I also remember some experience. Maybe Anita remember that well because I maybe 4 or 5 years ago we have a client from Thailand.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She comes
I remember.
Yes.
Yeah.
She comes to us and want to work with us about the practice. But before that, she has a very horrible story.
Horrible experience with the previous
So what
supplier.
happened? Anita will tell us.
Yeah, I will tell you the story again. I think it's 5 years ago. Our Thailand client come to us. They found us on Alibaba and sent one inquiry for the flat disk. That time, her previous flat disk supplier, the flat disk quality quality is not good, and during the usage, the flaps fly out and cut the chain of the workers. That's very terrible experience, and lots of blood, very dangerous. So that's why our clients came to eHome and cooperate with us. So until now, I think it's about 4 years.
Yeah, I see the fourth years
Yeah.
for operation.
Yes, and because our stable quality for flat disc, and these customers, she trust us very well,
Yes.
and we also supply some other products for her.
And we never get the complaint that
For the speed.
Yes, it's a disaster.
Yeah.
So firstly, we have to guarantee our products is safe.
Safety.
Yeah, that is the point, the basic. So no matter the price or something else,
Accessories or something else.
yeah, we have to make sure that our products is safety.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So tell about this story. We will make another testing for the Asian market, maybe for for 4-inch, right? 4-inch with the backing and fiberglass backing.
Okay. So Mr. Wang.
So Mr. Wang.
Mr. Wang.
Mr. Wang.
What are you doing? So can we do the 4-inch with 75 and backing?
Yeah, we'll bring one.
Okay, so let's see here. I think
Besides the European markets, as well United States, Canada, such markets, we also focus on the market from Asia.
Yeah, Asian market.
Yeah, we how to see. We many customers is very important for us from Thailand, India, from Vietnam.
Yeah.
So the market determines the sizes. So 4-inch and 4-inch with the plastic backing and the fiberglass backing. Yes, it's backing, right?
Yeah, it's with 75 mm.
So
plastic backing.
So if our customer in Asia, they are in our living room.
Yeah,
So they will know this kind of product very well.
Yeah, yes.
So we will test this kind of products.
Okay. Yeah, let's see what will be happening.
Yes. Before that, you guys should know that every piece of our products can reach the EN standards.
Mm-hmm. But I think this one, because it's special for the Asian market, so there's no need to meet the EN standard because
So you guys please focus on the digital, on the number. Yeah, this is 4-inch.
Yeah, because this product is economic one.
Mm-hmm.
So clients do not have so high requirements for the rotation speed or for the performance. But of course, our product is good. I mean, maybe no so high requirements for the speed.
Mm-hmm.
So normally we will make it like
17,000.
Okay, so we will set up by 17,000. By 17,000 RPM.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, when we're seeing this testing. When we're seeing this kind of testing for 4-inch, during this one testing, I also remember some other clients. 2 years ago, we got a customer he came to our factory, and he had a great willing to visit us and work with us.
Mm-hmm. Oh, so it's 16,561.
Yes.
So it is within our tolerance because some products maybe when the leaf size is very big, or the coarse cloth like grade 40. Mm-hmm. So sometimes the RPM is no requirements for the 17,000.
Yes.
So above 16,000, it is fine.
Yeah.
And customers also can accept it.
You can show the products is good enough.
Yeah.
So we can know the story.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
The one that client.
Yeah. He come to our factory and we waiting to work with us. He is very confident. He know, one sample, I don't know where it's from. From China, maybe from the local market.
Yep.
Okay, yeah, the products, the samples in products
Yeah.
can reach.
And the quality is very high and the price is very low.
Yes.
So he came to us and want to find maybe a better product or better price.
Yes.
So we
the
products,
the sample can reach 23,000 RMB, right?
Mm-hmm.
If I remember right, yes.
Yeah.
That is because that is 2 years ago. So when we take sample from our production line,
Mm-hmm.
yes, you know that is totally fresh, new product. So we make the comparison. We take these two kind of samples to our library.
Mm-hmm.
So this we take speed
test.
Yeah. You guess what?
Yeah. Funny story.
Yeah, funny story. When the customer bring the sample and when the flat disk to reach maybe around
So the RPM RPM of the client sample is 17,000 RPM.
And the product is broken.
Yes.
The lips is come out.
Mm-hmm.
So we can see this kind of product we cannot see from our factory because this is field product.
Yeah, and our rotation speed is more than 23,000 RPM.
Over it. So still today it's still very impressive experience with our customer visiting. So now we after that customer gone leave, we work with this customer more than 2 years and never stop. And also they cannot stop orders from us. Yeah, day by day, year by year, and order
quantity also increased a lot.
Yes. So that is a very convincing story.
Yep.
Yeah, to tell us about the difference of the quality. Yeah, the stable and the materials and the best material and the cost. Right. Yeah. So obviously, if I were our customer, I also want to choose maybe the best quality and
also the competitive price.
But if you only focus on the price, yeah, then we lead your wrong way.
Yeah, maybe it cause some, maybe disaster.
Yes.
Who knows, right?
Yes.
If broken, it will hurt the workers, so it is totally disaster. Okay, so we have finished all the versus we test, right?
Yeah.
So what's the most important thing for any user of practice? Do you know?
I think we have to see the product's performance.
Yeah.
It is grinding.
Yeah, polishing test.
Yeah, on the basic of safety.
Mm-hmm.
So
let's go to the grinding testing room now. Okay, follow us.
For the grinding especially.
Yeah.
Here is our finished products library to testing the finished products like the sanding belts and the flap disc and all kinds of discs. We have a running table there. Please come in. Yeah, our inventory are ready to test some very representative products like the size 4.5 inch and with the cornea and the aluminum side. So let's check it.
Okay, so before doing this test, please pay attention. So we must protect ourselves. Okay,
yes.
We shall wear the helmet and the glasses and the protection clothes and also gloves. Okay, so this is a very important thing. And do not overspeed. Okay, of the angle grinder. So firstly, Mr. Huang will do this test for us. And firstly, what we shall do is to check in the initial weight of the iron plate and also our flap disc. We'll do the comparison polishing test for different materials. One is fiberglass and another one is aluminum oxide. Okay. Okay, is 79 grams.
那个是
Okay, the iron plate weight, initial weight is 839 gram. Okay, so let's do the test now. So we will run it for 3 minutes.
哦，到底是3
其实坏了，是不是坏了？上头卡了，对，卡了，就是那个按钮卡了，这个
Okay, whoops, maybe some like the angle grinder, something stuck on the angle grinder. So I think Mr. Huang will find a way to solve this issue. Just let's wait for several seconds. Okay.
Oh yeah.
So normally this test will last for maybe 10 minutes or maybe more than that time, because today is in live broadcast room. So we don't want to make our customers or visitors boring. So today we will shorten this time. Maybe 1 minute, 2 minutes, and 3 minutes. Yep. Okay, so we will change another angle grinder. Okay, don't be nervous. It's fine. You know, some unexpected situation will come. That's very normal. Okay, Mr. Zhu, please pay attention to the time. Okay. Mr. Huang, are you ready? Not ready. More time. Okay, so master fix the flat disc on the angle grinder safely. Okay. Yeah, because now it's winter in China now. So when the Mr. Huang wear the glasses, so and maybe some after some breeze, and the glasses will fall. It's covered by some iron, some frog. So he couldn't see what's inside, what's going on the angle grinder. So now he removes the glasses.
Some accident happened.
Okay, so I think maybe now we can move to the sanding belt room, right? Because maybe we need some time to make a preparation. Okay, so shall we start now? Because we cannot let our customers to wait, right? We must find some interesting things. Yes. So
We have another one very important sanding belts. Yes. You can see we have different brand materials. Some materials from the international brand like VSM and Stucky, Dear Force, Sunlight. VSM is Stucky from Germany and Dear Force, Sunlight from Korea. And also we have another like this kind of Sweden.
okay.
This one.
No, this one. Yeah, 3M Provision.
Provision 2.
Provision 2. This is 984F. Yeah, this is a provision 2 and very highest quality.
Yeah, with the top quality of 12 brand as our most important materials. We also have some very novel materials like Chinese, China materials of dioxide. Some materials is and also some sail or far east. But all of them, some guys really know this company. They are very good and professional companies as well. So what I want to tell you is about our product range. We have the range from the materials and the sizes. The range is very large, so we have. That's why we can meet every demand from different markets.
Yes.
From Europe, from Middle East, and from the Latin America, also North America,
South Africa, and also some Pakistan market.
Yes. So
every client's requirement for the same belt.
Yeah. So no matter what size you need, what material you need,
and what's the application?
Yeah, the application, what are the workplace you need, grinding, polishing. We all have materials.
Yeah. So let's see what we have on our inspection board now.
Yeah. This one, it's a very typical one, right? This is J-weight.
Yeah, it's TG135.
Yeah, this is J-weight is very flexible.
Yeah, this is from King Capital Company.
Yeah.
Raw material from King Capital.
Yeah, I think it's for some maybe soft surface.
Yeah. Normally, it's for the like a curved surface. Yeah. Some belts we use for the like a flat surface. So this one is very soft, so we can bend easily. And some clients from India, because they polishing the like door hinges or the slider, and also some other small parts,
But not cookware.
not cookware. So they use this. So the sanding belt will running rotation like this, and they put the workpiece on the surface. On the surface of the belt.
Yeah, I think most of the same. We can see that it is the manual.
The manual.
So the workpiece just bring the workpiece and on the surface of the belt. So the surface of the workpiece will become more and more shining.
Yeah.
You have to do some removal. Yes.
Okay. Okay, another one. I see. We shall introduce this one. So we can see here. Let's see here. It's KX167. From King Capital Company. And this one is mostly used for the metal and wood. One of our clients from Africa, they use this belt to polish the furniture.
Yeah,
furniture. Yes, like a school desk, and also chair.
So that is for wood.
Furniture polishing. And
most of the furniture is made from wood.
Yeah, the size is very large. I think it's around the width is more than 1 meter.
Yes.
And the length is more than 2 meters. Some even 3 meters.
Yeah, very wide.
Yeah.
Sanding belts.
Yes, and the client is very satisfied with our quality. Yeah, we have repeated orders.
Yeah. It's also very typical one.
Yeah, and next one. I think will be this one, right? This is from VSM. Yeah, VSM XK880Y.
So that is Y, right?
Yeah, this is the very high quality for VSM ceramic because we have XK870 and also we have XK850. So they have different content of ceramic. 50% or 100%.
Yeah, you also can see that this is ceramic glass, so
Yeah.
it's a little bit higher than the normal ceramic.
Yes, you can see here.
Yeah.
Yeah, just now our colleague said our grinding test is okay. So shall we move now for the grinding test?
Okay, why not? Yes.
Okay, so let's move to this side. Okay, Mr. Huang, you solved the problem?
I think so. This one is not good, but not very good at English.
Okay.
có hay dùng tay đây thì cho cái việc kia lên tay rồi thanh rồi
Okay, so 3 minutes. Okay, so okay, 3 minutes now. So let's replace into aluminum oxide. Okay, check the weight. 77.6 gram. Okay, so let's say the stainless steel bar weight. Okay, is
794.2
794.2 gram.
这是用完了是吧？几分钟的大概？ So after 3 minutes grinding, you can see the surface of our flap disc is still is we can see can continue use maybe around keep using maybe 50 or 20 minutes.
Yeah, only few abrasives fell off
Yes.
from the cloth.
So this is not used up, so we can continue to use kind of this backing, this flapdisc.
Okay.
So
Now we are going to do the test for aluminum oxide.
with
flapdisc.
1.5 inch, same, right?
Yeah, initial weight is 82.8. Okay. Okay, it's finished. AO, aluminum oxide like this. Let's check the after grinding weight.
81.
81. Okay, 768.4 gram.
So this two kind of materials. One is zirconia aluminum oxide, and this one is aluminum oxide. These two materials very popular from the market, and then this is quite normal. Yeah, it's quite normal material. We also have silicon carbide ceramic, so the compatible ring.
Yes.
This kind of is very representative. So we make this kind of these two pieces discs to the comparison.
Yeah.
Now we know the difference.
Yeah, we already got the testing feedback from the calculation. Okay, so from the calculation, we can judge that zirconia, the left index is about 22.4. Okay, and for aluminum oxide, it's 14.33. So we can say, I think it's almost not 2 times, right?
Not 2 times, but
maybe 1.5. Yeah, 1.5 times.
Yeah, more than 1.
Yeah, so we will check this proportion.
Yes.
This percentage later. Okay, this is for the ZE and AO material flat disc.
Yes.
Okay, so after this test, what are we going to for the next one? Next test.
Next test for
the surface,
Yeah.
Okay, so different. Yeah, we will use different grid number flat disc from 40, 80 to 120 to say the surface change.
Yeah, you see the surface different by different
grid
number. From the coarse, middle, and fine.
Yes, fine, medium, and fine.
You will see the difference.
Okay, so in that test, we will not check the weight initially.
Yeah, that's not accurate. Yeah.
Okay, so let's welcome Mr. Huang. Maybe continue to do the test for us. Thank you. Okay, Mr. Huang. So, 我们下一个要做的就是不同力度号打磨的表面的光洁度不同的一个实验。对，就同一种磨料，然后有不同的力度号。反正抱抱也可以。Okay. So we will do the grinding test with these 2 flat discs, and this left one is not left one. For me, it's left. So for our customers, it's right. Okay. So you can see the difference. This one is grade 60. Okay, zirconia.
Yeah.
And this one is 120.
Yeah.
Okay, so we will use these 2 grid number to polishing the
surface.
I think this is a. Oh, okay. So we will polishing the iron plate. Okay, so let's see. The surface changed like a magic, right?
Yeah. If you see the workpiece on the table, on the table you can see some rust on the surface. So we will use the different grain.
Yeah, some rust and it's not flat. The surface now is not flat. Okay, so.
对，这一边。
对，几分钟就搞定了。要换机器吗？
不需要。
休息10秒钟可以哈。
对。
哦，那哪个机器用啊？那个是不是不能用啊？这个是吧？
对，把那个机都给装一个。
谁来拧？我不给拧。把这边
不是那样的，不许拧。二毛吧。
Okay, so let's set up the time.
完就跟磨一样，磨平。
对，磨平就行了。
放个示范。
Okay, so shall we start now, Mr. Huang? Okay.
然后我看。
Okay, so let's see the surface change. Okay, so you can see now it's 60. Wow, it's already a little shiny. Okay, and then there are some scratch, like a brush on the surface, and a little shiny now. So later we will make test for 120 grit on this side, so we can see the difference for the different grit number flap disc. We can say what's the difference between these two grit number. Okay. Okay, so Mr. Huang will show us. Okay. 要不给你不用磨才能弄，不要磨对，它就是看表面。Okay.
啊，还是有区别的。
那个纹路，
对，还有区别。
Okay, so you can see here, and the density of the scratch is different.
Yeah.
And also this side 120, 120.
This the 60. Yeah, 60.
Yeah. So I think this side is more shining and reflects the light.
Yes,
right?
if the grid number is too fine, so it can be some kind of polishing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
polishing.
But this if the grid number is too coarse, so it is like draining. Then some make the deburring, right?
Yeah.
To remove the rust with great power.
So don't touch. It's very hot now.
You can see.
Okay, you can see the difference, right? So this side is more shiny. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's the scratch is not. It's some. There are some very density. I mean, it's the scratch density is more, right? Okay. So I guess you may know maybe more maybe on our website on the YouTube,
Yes.
e-home YouTube, and there are lots of videos and photos for our company or the polishing test of our product.
Google and also Facebook, you can find some more interesting.
Yeah. So actually later we want to show you because just now we mentioned the Bosch X-Log project. So now after running testing, we want to show you the difference between the normal flat disc angle grinder and the X-Log angle grinder. Okay, Owen, can you show us?
Yeah, sure. I'll try my best.
Yeah. So X-Log.
Look.
X-Log 的掌纹机。Okay, let's see here. Okay, let's see. This is from Bosch company. It's X-Log technology by Bosch. Okay, so this is an angle grinder. So we will see the difference between this one and a normal angle grinder.
And this, you can see this is the normal one. Actually, every time we change the piece of plastic, we need to use the tools and step by step. But if it's with the X-Log flat disc and the grinder, we will just need only one step.
Yeah. So please show to our customers.
Yeah, so you can see this one. We have to stretch it. And very tight. Yeah.
Need very heavy force.
Yeah, it's not easy, you know. But currently we can see this kind of grinder for all over the world. The market made from Europe, from Asia, from many countries like that. It's very normal. And we also have another one, maybe the rings.
Yep.
Yeah. So that is to take these flaps out. And when we take the flaps on this grinder, we need also
repeat this work.
And you know, some very skilled workers maybe also need this kind of process, and it takes time.
Maybe several seconds or 1 minute.
Yeah.
1 minute.
And after that, we need to split.
Yeah. To make it tight again.
Yeah.
Okay, I think so much for this.
Yeah.
So here.
Yeah. So that is the normal one. Is you can see.
Like this one.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Here we go. We can see this. This is X-Log.
Yeah. X-Log angle grinder.
Bosch. And we have this kind of function. Yeah. And this one is the X-Log backing flat disc. This is the Konya, and this is
calcined aluminum oxide.
The one on the back on the grinder. Okay. Just one step. I see. Yeah, that is now.
So when you heard this sound, that means it is fixed on the angle grinder.
And when you want to take this flat disc out, you can just click this button and you can see just out.
Yeah.
So that is quick and very safe.
It's saving time and also it's very convenient.
Yeah, and also I will show you. This is also some safety. So now is the grinder is already launched. You know.
Yeah. Now in European countries.
Yeah. So that means this grinder, this kind of grinder is already to the market.
Available.
Available. So if you want to know more information, you also can find this X-Log grinder, the information on board or in our abrasives.
Yeah.
Google, Facebook, and on websites.
Yes. On Bosch website also. On e-home website. Okay.
So maybe I can make a little testing to guarantee this grinder is also already available. Yes.
Okay, you want to be tested yourself?
Yeah, just make this for routine.
Okay. Okay, maybe just 1 minute to test for X-Log on the grinder. 衣服。
相机转呀，拍的。你们都是
Okay, let's see the difference and the secret. All I want to show you guys is this grinder is already available because this market launched first in Europe and secondly is the United States and Canada and countries from North America. And now you also can some information in Asian market, but still it's not a major. It's not popular now. So, but before that, we can do this kind of grinder better. Just now I have made a comparison with a normal grinder, but now I have to run it up to see the grinder is safety and easy to handle. To check.
Wait, just a minute.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, for this kind of testing, it's not to show you guys this flatness is very good enough. I just show you that this grinder is available now. And when I want to make this flatness out, you can see just one step. Just click this button and the flatness will move out. Yeah.
Okay, so finish?
Yeah, finish.
Yes.
Yeah. So again, if you want to know more information about the actual grinder, you can check it on the website from Bosch, and also you can find the information on our website from abrasives.
Yeah.
Yeah, found more information on Facebook, on YouTube, and Twitter.
Google.
Yeah, all
Instagram.
kind of social media you can find more information and videos and some pictures maybe.
Yep.
Okay, yeah, that's all for our
Grind test.
and also the difference of the different grinder. One is normal one, and another one is like
X-Log on the grinder.
Yes.
Yeah. So I think now it's a time for us to go back to our sanding belt.
Yes, why not?
Just now interrupted. Okay.
Yes.
So now let's move to our sanding belt. So we will give you more details about our product. Okay. So what were we talking about just now? I think it's about different.
The weight. The backing of the weight.
Okay. So we are not only supplying sanding belt with cross backing.
Yeah.
We also can supply with paper backing.
Yeah. As well.
Like A weight, paper, C, and D, and E, and S.
Yes.
Even imported weight. Right.
Right.
Anyway, this is decided by our jumbo producer and our raw supplier.
Yeah.
Okay. And for the backside cloth, we can supply X, Y, J.
Yes. From X to G, that is one of the most weight.
Yeah. So I think we already discussed so much about the raw material and the big number like this.
Yes.
So later, let's see how we test our sanding belt.
Yes.
The most important thing is the grind test, right?
Yeah, one test for the stainless steel.
Yeah.
Because
This pipe.
Yes,
pipe.
Yeah.
Stainless pipe.
Mhm.
So let's move to.
But you know, it is not only we take this testing for the stainless pipe, but you know, sanding belts is most useful is very well.
Mhm.
Yeah, for the furniture. Just
for the furniture.
Yes, the furniture is made from wood, so the abrasive belt is wonderful for polishing the surface of wood and as well glass.
Voice is not clear enough.
Not clear enough.
Yeah, somebody said.
Okay.
Oh.
So
So slow down, just slow down. Okay.
Yeah.
Make sure our visitors can hear us. Okay. So shall we move to the grinding test for the sanding belt now?
Yes, why not?
Okay.
We will show you guys about our testing for the sanding belts.
Okay, Mr. Huang, are you ready? Loudly. Yes, I'm ready. Okay. Okay, this is our machine. Even it's a small machine, but it's our equipment, right? So we can make this test for our clients. We also
the material is zirconia, right?
calcium zirconia.
Calcium zirconia.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. With the blue color. I think the size is 100 millimeter by 610.
10 mm. Yeah.
Which is the most popular sizes in China.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And so now we are going to polish the stainless steel pipe. So let's see how this process. So because today we only show we have the equipment and also we can do this test. So we will not finish this test. Normally we will check how many times we use to polishing the 5 mm or 5 cm or 10 cm. Also we can make comparison between different materials in same time and how millimeters pipes we can polishing, so we can make comparison for our raw materials. Yeah. Also, that's a good way for us to choose the supplier, the jumbo roll suppliers. Mm-hmm. Okay, so much for the polishing test. We also want to show you how we check the strength of the belt. Yeah. So now we shall move to another room, lab, R&D department room. Okay, so let's go now.
Quite a long test, right? Yeah.
Okay, so the samples is already. Okay, let's see what's the material. Okay, it's GXK51P. Okay, it's a 40 grid number. This is, I think this is like this is Mr. Wang. This is from Pipette or Sanling. Yes, P. Okay, so this class we our supplier OEM for our company. You know, normally the aluminum oxide is red color, so this one is blue color. Okay, so now we are going to test the strength of this belt. Use this machine.
So this is the previous test. We do this one. So today we're going to this wider belt. How is this on there?
Yeah, so we are setting the strength on the computer now. Yeah, because that one maybe the limitation is 5,000. So in order to make sure the testing performance, I mean, our visitors can see this belt broken. Okay, the breaking. So we need to change another sanding belt samples. Okay, so let's wait Mr. Huang to find another sanding belt. Maybe the joint and also the cross, the backing is not so strong as the previous one, so we can see how the breaking. Okay. So during this break,
Yes.
We want to show our customers the flat wheel, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Because in our last live broadcast, we introduced the specification and also some general knowledge about our flat wheel. So now we want to show some production process because now the factory is already off-world. Yes, it's made like China. So we want to today this afternoon, our colleagues we made some record of our factory.
Yeah.
So yeah, some videos. So now let's see this for some while. Okay.